Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is something a little bit different because I am doing a bit of a room transformation. It's not really a room, it's a cupboard. It's a cupboard which I have turned into an office slash craft room. This cupboard is a total junk cupboard. I don't know if you have one of those in your house, but everything just gets thrown in it. And every so often I would do a big clear out and it would be all neat and organised, and then it would just revert back to being somewhere that everyone just shoved everything, and it would be a mess and it wasn't being used to its full potential. So for ages I really wanted an office, somewhere that I can go and do my work and close the door and have peace to work. And also I have quite a lot of like YouTube equipment, and I wanted somewhere that I could store it all and it was all in one place, and I could shut the door after I finished using it at the end of the day, and I wouldn't have to spend ages clearing it all up. Like if I was using my dining table, for example, I would have to clear up all my computer and any paperwork had out and things like that. So I wanted a room that I could use specifically for my office work and any crafting I was going to be doing. So I'm going to show you how I turned this cupboard from a total junk cupboard that everything was just thrown into a lovely little office for me, which I absolutely love spending time in now. And yeah, I'm going to show you how I did it. Okay, so this is the cupboard that I'm going to be working on, and I thought I would show you it before to let you see what it looks like. So it does have a light inside, so I'll just switch that on. So as you can see, this cupboard is just super messy. Everything's been thrown in. I did have this shelf built in, which is useful for storing things up there. There is a light also, but it is a really warm light. It's not ideal for filming in. And down here you can see there is so much stuff packed in, so it needs a good clear out. So the first thing I do is take everything out of the cupboard and either find a new home for it, or if it needs to go back in the cupboard, I've popped it in a pile and it can go back in neatly somewhere. And a lot of the stuff is getting donated or put to the skip. These are all the bags of things ready to go out and things that I need to find new homes for. So as you can see, it's starting to look a lot better. It's a lot clearer. The next thing I have to do is get this shelving unit out, and it is actually going into Elle's bedroom. Just a short interruption to say that if you're enjoying this video, I would love it if you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any of my upcoming videos. But let's get back to the video. So now the cupboard is pretty much empty, we are going to start painting. As you can see, the walls do look like they're white, but it's almost like an off-white, and just putting on some of this paint really brightened it up. It made such a difference. It made the room look so much brighter, so it was definitely worth doing, and it just freshened it up as well. There's a few scuff marks and things. So I've just popped the furniture in that I'm going to be using in here. I've got two of the Kallax units from IKEA. They are going to also be my desk. They're going to create the desk, but as well as being storage. And you'll see I have some wood along the top here. These are leftover shelves from our Besta unit in our living room that we didn't end up using. And I had the idea to use them as like a desk. I don't end up using the outside two. I only use the inside one. You'll see here where my seat's going to go. And it actually works out really well. There is some space at the sides where I can store some other things. I end up putting some drawers in there and my tripods and things. The great thing about the wood desk, it's not fixed, it sits on top, but it works out perfectly because it means that I can move it for filming, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So I'm just going to show you what I mean about the desk. So I've just got this bit of wood that I use as a desk across the two shelving units, and the great thing is because it's removable, I can pull it out, I can attach on filming equipment, I can put a light behind it if I want to have a light above me for filming, so it works out better than a fixed desk. So as you can see, I have started to put up this wallpaper. It is a white brick effect, and it is a sticky back wallpaper. You'll see me applying some here. Now, it's probably going to really annoy you when you watch this, the fact that it's not matched up properly. The pattern, for some reason, doesn't match up fully. You can match up like one brick, and then the brick below it doesn't match up. It's so frustrating, and it really annoyed me when I was doing it. So it's probably going to annoy you watching this video. I apologise. But I've matched it up as best I can to make it look as best as possible. This is good to use in the fact that you don't have to use wallpaper paste, you don't need a pasting table, anything like that, but it is really tricky to use. It's like sticky back plastic, and you have to be careful for air bubbles, and make sure it's on straight. There's no room for repositioning. Once it's on, you have to take the whole thing back off. But it is a really quick way to paper a wall if that is something that you're looking to do, and it made a real impact in this little space. I had some sticky back wallpaper left over and I decided I would cover the top of one of these units. I don't really know why I decided to do this, but I did, and actually I really love it, so I'm glad that I did. As I was doing it, I'm thinking, is this a really good idea or a really bad idea? But it works really well because it almost extends the wall. It makes it seem more spacious. I don't know, you'll see what I mean at the end, but I really love how it looks. I finished off the edges with sort of this distressed brick effect. I just cut around the edge of the paper and I really like how it turned out. And now for the big reveal. What was once a junk cupboard is now my mini office. I absolutely love it. I enjoy coming in here and doing my work. It's so pretty, and brightening up the walls with some fresh white paint and that wallpaper has made such a difference. I also changed the light bulb to a daylight bulb. Obviously there's no natural light in here, but that makes a huge difference. And I also often have my filming lights on, so it can be quite bright in here. Here is my removable desk, and as you saw earlier, it's just perfect for me. There's still loads of storage space. Down here I have my planner caddy. I'm actually going to be doing a video showing you what I have in it. It's a bit of a mess at the moment, I need to clean out, but I'm going to show you how I use it. And I've still got a little bit of space here, as you can see, beside the shelving where I can keep my tripods and things. I've got my printer here. There we go, that's where I keep things like my lights and my tripods. And I have this lovely little shelf. I could use it for things, but at the moment it's just a decorative one. And because the ceiling's so high in this cupboard, it gives the illusion of more space than there actually is. I've popped these plastic drawers back in the cupboard. They were used for craft things before. They're actually still empty at the moment, but I'm going to use them for some of my work things. I'm just so happy with how this has turned out. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you enjoyed today's video and you liked the transformation. If you did, give this video a thumbs up and comment below with a smiley face if you like this video. And don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and that way you will see all of my upcoming videos. But I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.